Mr. W, what are you doing with that watermelon?
Hello, Bob. Didn't imagine you would be seeing a floating watermelon today, did you?
How are you doing this?
I am a wizard, and with the help of my wand, I can do anything.
That's terrific! Can you show the kids in my class some tricks with your wand?
Why not? I would love to.
Then just hop right on! Hey kids, today's class is going to make you go wow! Give a warm welcome to our guest for the day, Mr. W. Mr. W is going to show you some exciting things that start with the letter W.
Hello, kids. Are you ready to see the wonders of wizardry?
Yes!
Look what's coming in from the window. Whale! Water!
Oh!
Wheel! Just watch it go round and round and round.
This wind is going to send me right out the window.
Watch! And who can forget my wand?
What a wonderful show! Can you take us through it once again?
Whale! Water! Wheel! Watch! Wand!
For your next trick, can you teach the kids how to write the letter W?
Why not? Let's begin.
Jill, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Start at the top and draw a slanting line down across to the right. Perfect! Now, without lifting your crayon or pencil, draw a slanting line from the bottom to the top. And then repeat the slanting line going down to the right. And once again, draw a slanting line from the bottom to the top. That's it!
Can I try it all by myself, Bob?
Where there is a will, there is a way.
Start at the top and draw a slanting line down, across to the right. Now, without lifting the crayon or pencil, draw a slanting line from the bottom to the top. And then repeat the slanting line going down to the right. And once again, draw a standing line from the bottom to the top. That's the letter W.
Wonderful! What a way to begin the day. A day well spent.
We can't thank you enough for joining us today, Mr. W. We wish to dedicate a song to you. If you would like to listen,
I can't wait to hear the song.
What, why, when, where and who, where and who, where and who. What, why, when, where and who, most questions begin with you. With the heart so warm and wise, warm and wise, warm and wise. With the heart so warm and wise, you're always a fun surprise. What and where would we be, would we be, would we be? What and where would we be without your witty energy? Mr. W, we love you so, love you so, love you so. Mr. W, we love you so, whoa, 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 whoa.
Wow! I am speechless.
thank you for showing the kids some wonderful tricks. Bye-bye, kids. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Goodbye, kids. I will be back soon, too.